Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best kitchenette table on the market, the Furologee Kitchen Baker's Rack with Power Outlet. This versatile kitchen storage rack is designed to maximize your space while keeping your essentials organized and easily accessible. Standing at just under 50 inches tall, with dimensions of 21.7 inches in length and 14.6 inches in depth. This rack is compact enough to fit comfortably in small kitchens, yet sturdy enough to handle everyday kitchen tasks. The rustic brown finish adds a warm, inviting touch to any kitchen or living space. One of the standout features of this baker's rack is the built-in power outlet with 2 sockets and an air switch button. This thoughtful design allows you to plug in appliances like your coffee maker, microwave, or toaster directly on the rack without the hassle of moving them around to find an outlet. The socket is also reversible, meaning you can install it on either the left or right side, adapting to your kitchen layout. Storage is where this rack truly shines. It offers 4 tiers of shelving. The top shelf is perfect for spices, oils, and teas, while the middle shelves are ideal for larger appliances. The bottom shelves provide ample space for cookware or other kitchen essentials. Complementing this storage are the metal pegboard and 6S hooks, perfect for hanging mugs, utensils, or other small kitchen tools, keeping your workspace tidy and organized. Durability is key, and the Furologee Baker's Rack delivers with a strong metal frame combined with sturdy particle board shelves. The addition of 2 side X-shaped braces ensures stability, while adjustable feet allow you to level the rack on uneven floors without scratching your surfaces. Beyond the kitchen, this rack's multifunctional design means it can easily double as a coffee bar station, a plant stand on your balcony, or even a storage unit in your living room or home office. Its stylish, powder-coated finish fits seamlessly into a variety of decor styles, making it a versatile addition to your home. Assembly is straightforward with clear instructions and labeled hardware, and all necessary tools are included in the package. It's designed to be lightweight yet durable, so you can move it around as needed without hassle. In summary, the Furologee Kitchen Baker's Rack with Power Outlet is a well-designed, multi-purpose storage solution that combines functionality, style, and convenience. Whether you need extra kitchen storage, a coffee station, or a compact organizational piece, this rack offers a smart and stylish option for your home. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking to optimize your kitchen space with a reliable and attractive storage solution, this might just be the best kitchenette table for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews.